Updating your payment information on Lyft is a straightforward process that ensures your rides are charged correctly. Follow these steps to update your payment details quickly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Payment to view your current payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the Payment section, you will see your existing payment methods. Choose the payment method you want to update or tap on Add Payment Method to enter new information. Step 4. Enter new payment detail. If you are updating an existing method, follow the prompts to edit your card details. If adding a new method, enter the required information such as card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 5. Save changes. After entering or updating your payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm the updates. Once you've completed these steps, your payment information will be updated and you can continue using Lyft without any issues.